Hello. Today I am going to go over the basics on how to properly set up the studio room to your computer and what our basic features are. Setting up is quite easy. All you have to do is have both cables connected to your computer. Both cables go to individual microphones, so depending on the microphone you are looking for, you can have a different cable for that. Moving on to the equipment, we have the Rodecaster Pro. To turn it on, all you have to do is push the power button on the back. Once it starts up, it is ready for use. Here we have the audio slider that correlates with each individual microphone, and at the bottom we have a deafen and a mute button. On the right, we have the pads, which control different sound effects you may want to use in your recording. These pads can also be used with the slider to adjust the audio of the sound effects themselves. On the top right, we have the knobs, which can also be used to control different types of audio. Moving on to our last piece of equipment, we have the turret. The turret has three main features: the camera, microphone, and ring light, with the ability to have audio fed into headphones. The ring light is controlled with the knob at the very top of the turret. And that's all there is to it. If you have any further questions on how to properly set up software, please refer back to our website where you can find a number of different guides to help you in your future recordings, or reach out to a technician at the Makerspace.